yeah, so I drew. Let's go into it. So I got these packages when for a while now. I got this one first, and I was so excited. It was the lightest one, but it came very fast, and here it is. So I've ordered a syringe, and it is 60 milliliters. Now this is what I'll be using with this. So let's open this. There we go. Ta-da! So yeah, so guys, so this is a TKB gel for lip gloss, and so that's what I will be adding to my line of products. So soaps, and now I'm going to add my lip gloss. I have my ingredients, guys. You have to do research and stuff. I've been doing research from way before I decided that I want to do this, add this to it. So I do research on everything, on my ingredients. I love natural ingredients, and because I love natural ingredients, I see what else I can do with it. And there's some other things coming, but these are the packages that came first. So as we go along, you will see the other additions, because I do have 2 more additions that you guys are going to love, because I'm so excited. The ingredients are made, the combinations are put together. It's just to reproduce in bulk so I can place them on my site. That's what I'm waiting on. So I'm waiting on the items. But I've ordered a 2-pack TKB gel. Alright? It's also called Versa Gel. And this is the base that you use to make a lip gloss. And I've been making these lip gloss, and I've been giving it to my friends to try and people around me to try. So now I've have it down pat. I'm going to show you how to make lip gloss if you'd like to know. So if you want more of these videos, guys, just let me know and I will hook you up. Alright? So just don't forget, please subscribe down below. Like, click the subscription button, please. I would appreciate it, so you can know when I upload videos and you don't run up past my videos by chance only. Okay, but yeah, so we have this, and we have this. So this is 5.5 ounces. So we're gonna see it. We're using the 3 milliliter lip gloss containers. I think you can, out of 1 pack, you're supposed to be able to get at least 20 or so forth. But we'll see, because I'll be adding oils. All my ingredients are going to be completely natural. Like, I'll be adding oils that are good for the lips and so forth. And it will be not one oil, but a variety of oils that will make the combination. So I want it to be glossy, perfect, shiny. I want it to be healthy for your lips. I don't just want to put water on your lips, because some of these products that you guys are using is just water. Okay guys, so we are back. I have my water ready, and I have soap in here ready. This is hot. I made it a little bit too hot, so don't burn yourself, guys. So we're just gonna set this aside, and we're gonna do the opening of the packages that I have. So you know, guys, that I'm starting a new line of products. Yes, and one of these products is my lip gloss line, as you guys can tell probably right now. Yeah. So it's my lip gloss line that I'm about to launch with this week coming. So I finally got some of my tubes and stuff, so we're gonna see what's inside, how they look and so forth. The size I chose. Alright, so these came like that. Okay, so they're good size tubes. I think I would have to go and look back on the website. I need to get my phone. I think these are the 10 milliliters, and these are good size, as you can see. Very good size. I wish they had come with the detached. I wish they did come like that, detached in a different separate bag, but oh well, it's fine. that would be okay. So what I'm going to do is just open them just like this. I'm going to take them apart and I'm going to put them in here apart. Have been sitting for a little while, over 30 minutes in this water. The water is cooled down. So what I'm going to do is take them out, squeeze the soap water out. There's soap in it, see? And I just put them in another, on a tray right here. And I have a cup of warm water, again, not hot, warm water, without the soap, because I'm going to wash them off again so the soap get out and stuff like that. So I don't have soap inside. And then I'm going to have a piece paper towel laid out where I'm going to lay them on. So yeah.